Hey everyone, this is Greg Savage from MachineMasters.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a string sound from a piano. Now I know some of you are thinking, why do that when you can just load up a string sound? Granted, that is easier, but when you're working with certain projects such as video games, mobile games to be exact, there is a data cap. Sometimes they don't want you going over 5 megabytes for certain types of music, sound effects, etc., because the main focus is the video. So with that being said, let me show you how this is done. Pay close attention to my grid. So see, not too complicated. I hope you learned something. Please share, like, and subscribe. Do leave comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next week.